We're a company that are architects of timber frame buildings. We've never repeated the same building twice, and we're very proud of that. It's what distinguishes us from everyone else. We are looking to be architecturally beautiful, and we're looking to deliver that building as painlessly as possible.
We're wanting to provide basically our clients' dreams. People are very passionate about what they want and we're there to provide it for them. Everything we do here is to our clients' specifications. So if they're wanting something out of the ordinary, then we're the people you need to come and see.
All walks of life come through our doors and we treat everyone the same. This is a purchase that's not an impulse purchase, it's something that's very dear to them. And our job really is to tease out exactly what they want.
You've got to sit there and put yourself in the client's shoes. It's a scary situation when it comes to looking at a project like this, from a very small building up to the biggest of buildings we do. And they want to understand that we're there to help them through the process and help them make decisions and help them understand what's going on through the build, right down to the last final details.
Customers vary, so some customers will want to see our CAD drawings, some customers want to see planning applications, and in which case we'll give them as much information as they want in technical aspects. Other customers really want to step back and say, look, once I'm happy with the design and specification, over to you, we can just crack on and the customer can worry about their day-to-day responsibilities and almost forget this is going on.
The principles of the business are the sales period, the design period, and then from the design it's the manufacturing. Design influxes into that as well, and then the final bit is the installation.
I'm not here making sheds. We put a lot of time into making sure that the projects are going to work, and we're trying to always push boundaries that are at the forefront of timber buildings and creating something that doesn't just sit there and meets their criteria, but something that improves and makes people happy.
What we've got here is a nursery unlike any other. Working with the stable company, very personable, very professional, and we will work with them again, I have no doubt.
Well, I talk from experience. I've worked with some companies that have been nowhere near as good as the stable company have been. It can be very difficult. We've literally had absolutely no problems. It's been good all round. They were good people.
They exceeded my expectations. The final completed building, when you look at it inside and out, I didn't expect it to be this good.
Finding somebody that you can trust is very, very difficult. I'd recommend the stable company beyond any shadow of a doubt. They deliver the promises.
I've had conversations with customers using modular construction companies and then those buildings not being able to get building reg sign off, or actually being built to an extent where you wouldn't want to put your children in there. So those buildings have come down and they've almost had to start again. It just brings a whole deal of stress.
There's a reason why a price can be cheap. Don't end up in a situation where you really regret the decision. I think make sure you've done your homework, going to look at case studies, talking to past clients. You've got to be really sure that the company you're using are credible. If you do that, then there should be no problem. And I think you get a feel, you know when it's the right choice.
We're not just looking to meet the client's requirements. We're looking to exceed them. No matter what it is, you can make it look beautiful. So you just take something and make it that little bit more special for everyone. And that's it. That's what it's about. They make you smile. You know, if you can create that emotion in a room, you're on the right track. And I think that's what we're always striving for.
I want them to be excited. I want them to know that we've done a good job, and I want them to know that we've supported them and helped them through the process.
I would hope the client's got something a little bit more than just a building, something that's going to add value to their life, becomes part of their family, and that it's there for tens of years to come and they're still enjoying it.